Hello friends, Satish Tiwary here from Ethical Hacking Tuition Center Jaipur, and you guys are watching my YouTube channel /root.in. Today the topic is Bitnami Owncloud Stack Virtual Machine. It means how to set up cloud using the Owncloud on Bitnami, and we are going to perform all this on virtual machine, not on the real machine. So I have already installed VirtualBox inside my system. You can download and install VirtualBox. This is free software available on virtualbox.org. So you can freely go to this site virtualbox.org and you can download VirtualBox inside your system. Okay. Now, after downloading VirtualBox, what to do next? So I have already downloaded and installed VirtualBox. Then you have to go to this site bitnami.com. Okay, and there inside virtual machine you have to search for this resource. When you search for resource, you will find this one, resource space. Okay, so this is the cloud computing software or application, you can say. When you go to this, you will get this format. We need this virtual machine, not on the cloud or single tier. Okay, you have to select the on my computer virtual machine, because we want to set up this software on my local machine, on my local system. We want to set up cloud computing setup on my system for cloud security lab setup. Okay, and for that we need a .obf file. So you can see it's providing a .obf file. I just click here to download this one. You can say by default the login name, username is user for this application, and the password will be created during the installation. Okay, it will be created on boot. When you boot your system, it will give you a password. Now for SSH, SCP and SFTP connection, we have Bitnami username, and the password will be generated when you are using when you are logging to the server after installation. So let's do the step by step. First of all, download this file. I have already downloaded this file, and this is the file I have downloaded inside this folder. Okay, so just you need to double click on this file, and hence it will ask for import. Just click on import and wait. It will just take few seconds to load, and after few seconds it will boot, or you can say your own cloud setup is ready inside your virtual machine. So the system is ready. Now you just click on the start button. If you want to see it full screen, you can go to view, go to scale mode, maximize it, and then press enter. Now you can see how Bitnami Owncloud and virtual machines are related with each other. So using Bitnami, you can set up Owncloud with the help of virtual machine. Here it is. So you can access this application using this IP address 192.168.29.80, which I mentioned. Username is user and the password has been, you can see, S3DUWJYFCO5W. Everything mentioned here. So by default login name for this one is Bitnami. I told you Bitnami. Okay, so this is the by default username, and the default password is also Bitnami. Okay, so you log in here. Okay, sorry, no. Okay, so login. So you can see successfully login to this machine. Now, as I told you, you have to type for login. You have to type the IP address, and the IP address is 192.168.29.80. So how you type that IP, and where you type the IP? You have to type the IP anywhere, 192.168.29.80. Okay, and you can see this one, and I was asking the username and password. Username is user, and the password is mentioned here. You can see S3DUW. So password is S capital 3. Let's see the password again. S3DUW. Okay, and then JYF, and then CO5W, where C is capital. O5W. Okay, you can select any time zone. Asia, we select Asia, Kolkata. Click on login, and here it is. We log into this machine, and this is the cloud environment. You can see this is the dashboard. Okay, so you can upload photo, you can upload anything here. You can just click on upload, then go to add files, and then you can upload any files here. Okay, and the file has been uploaded. If you want to add more, just click add more, add files. You can upload more files here. Okay, so in this way you can upload more and more. This is a cloud environment where one can add or upload files like you do on Google Drive. Okay, you can store your data. So here you can store your data. You can do so many things. This is a cloud environment. You just click on browse. You can see the collections. Whatever you want to create a new collection, you can do a new collection. If you want to new uploads, you can see the new uploads. If you want to tag your photo, documents, audio, video, you can do the tagging also. So everything is available here, and in this way, using this virtualization technology and Bitnami, we can set up cloud environment to learn the cloud security, like finding the bug in the cloud. Like later on you can also try how to do the attacks, and if this is secure or not, you can check the security, you can check the bug, and you can do the penetration testing for cloud computing. I hope it will help you, and if you are really like my video, please share with your friends, and thank you for watching.